Hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing another little challenge. This time I'm going to be going 24 hours eating only gas station food. I'm gonna be going to different gas stations, you know, for the diversity of different foods that could be possible to try. I have to say though, I have a budget of like 2,000 or 2,500 because I don't have money. I'm gonna be eating for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Gonna try as best as possible to really stick to the food that the gas station makes. I'm hungry right now, but it's just like after 7, so more than likely they haven't started making any food yet for breakfast, so I have to wait it out a little bit. I'm going to wait until about 9 o'clock thereabout. Between me and you guys, I'm the most anxious about breakfast. I want a good meal to start the day. Right now I'm looking at buying a coffee, and yeah, hopefully I can find something filling for breakfast, hopefully. So yeah, I'll catch you guys back when I'm ready to leave out, and yeah, you guys are coming along with me every step of the way. Enjoy the video. It's finally 9 o'clock, 9:01 in fact. Guys, I truly don't know how hungry I am right now. Like, when I tell you I'm hungry, I mean like I'm starving. So I just hope so I can get something good to eat today. At least we just start off the morning. I'm not expecting nothing too fancy or nothing like that. I want something that will be able to hold me off until lunchtime. And for me, my lunchtime is at 12. Yeah, I'm just going out the road real quick. Not gonna take long. Just going out there. I wonder if I should carry my license. It's probably a good idea to carry my license because police are usually out that side. Got it. Boy, I need to hurry up and get a mount. A camera mount. I don't know how bad it is. I just want vlog and drive on the road. Won't vlog and drive because that's not safe. I'm gonna switch over to my phone, and to make it like, you know, not so awkward when I go in there and then they're like, why do you have the camera, blah blah. I'm gonna switch it to my phone when I'm in the gas station. So at the first gas station of the day, Rubis. Where is it? Rubis. So let's go. Woo! I'm gonna make sure that I get a good deal. Yo, I really hope they have something good to eat. Morning. Thank you. You guys have coffee, right? Yes. How much one?
130 pounds, 8 pounds, those was 260.
No, have anything for breakfast? Oh, that's alright. How much is that though?
200, 250 which?
Oh, alright. Give me a 250 that dog and a 8 ounce. No, just the, you can just put the ketchup and the mayo and with the cheese, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, no, this is like it's about the taste. Nice guys. Nah, like Rubis. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now what did I do with the car key? Oh, because for a second I thought I lost the car key. I was about to be like, oh no. Awful. Guys, I have to comment on the service in there. They were really like the person, the cashier, she was really friendly, super friendly. They should give her a raise. So I got a hot dog, which is a good meat. Ooh, look at this. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. Cheese, bro. Cheese. Let's give this a try. It's not bad so far though. Wait, I wish the... I need to turn off this face autofocus. This is what I'm looking at right now, guys. This is what's up. This is what we're looking at. First taste this. This tastes really good. Oh man, bread is soft, right amount of cheese and everything. This is good, guys. Oh gosh. Pardon me while I enjoy this fine meal. Oh man, that was good. Taste the coffee now. This should be good. I mean, it's French vanilla. It's exactly how I would expect it to taste. No man. This Rubis Ultra Shop. Rubis Ultra Shop. Big up on yourself. I've never bought from here before. I've never bought from here because this was recently put up. So I've never bought from here before. First impressions, awesome from the customer service, and the actual food tastes good. That wasn't even like a special breakfast meal. It was just like what I had. That hot dogs, and I bought a hot dog. It's a good hot dog, and it was affordable. I think it came to about 300 something, 300 odd dollars. So I still have like 2006 thereabout left back, and no, 1006, and that should, yeah, that's definitely gonna hold me for the rest of the day. I hope. I'm gonna give this a solid 10 out of 10 for breakfast. I can't lie, the hot dog was good. It hit the way it was supposed to hit. The coffee is good too. It's good. So I'm gonna give that 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, they gave me mints. They didn't give me it out of courtesy, they just gave me as like change because I never have change. So, but it still gives them extra points. Catch you guys back when it's lunchtime or so. Well, it's just about lunchtime now. To be honest, the time really moved by fast on that one. Like, I think it's partially because I was editing, so that helped to make the time go by. I'm starting to feel hungry, so on to the next gas station. Coming off of an amazing breakfast, I'm hoping that the lunch will be equally as good. Let's cross our fingers. Alright, so just like that, reach at the next gas station. This is the Jampet station. I usually come to this gas station. That's the gas station that we usually go to. So gotta get something to eat for lunch. Woo! Alright, let's get it. I'm gonna get a drink for a box drink and water. Got the lunch, guys. I think this lunch might actually end up being better than the breakfast. Don't quote me, but I do believe in Jampet. Between me and you guys, I come here all the time for food, so I already know how their food tastes, and that's about exactly what I bought for lunch. You guys know how you go. Taste this in the car. Let's get it. Look at gas station haul. So I bought this fruit punch and I bought a water, cool water, and I have the food here. I have to show you guys it right here. Alright, so I got some fritters and fish. Guys, the saltfish fritters that they sell here taste so good. Nothing too much, but it's good, and it'll definitely last me for lunch. I definitely want to go home and like be in the comfort of my home and eat this quick little lunch. But let me give you all the taste test. Kind of thirsty, so I'm gonna drink some water first. I just saw hers pass by that was fully see-through. Usually it's a little softer than this, but this one can get a pass, so let's give it a try. It's good. I'm gonna try a piece with the fish. Like a piece of fish. The fish and the fritters combo, marvelous. Let's have a look at mukbang. So guys, how have you been? What have you been up to? How have you guys been enjoying the videos that I've been putting out recently? Thank you for subscribing, and those who continue to watch, thank you for watching. Alright, last bite. I'm gonna deal with the rest at home. Oh, and other than water, I haven't been eating anything other than gas station food since starting the challenge. Okay, so let's see how much money I have left. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I have exactly $1,000 left, guys, so that's good. This will definitely like last me for dinner. And overall the meal, I'm going to rate it a 8 out of 10. Yeah, I don't know, I wasn't fully blown away with anything because, as I said, I already know about how it tasted. Nothing outstanding, but it tastes good. So I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 for that. And yeah, gonna catch you guys back when it's dinner time. So yeah guys, it's dinner time now. Kinda, not really. I kinda just really want to go up there early to avoid the evening traffic, you know, people coming from work and all of that. So, gotta go there now. Alright, so this gas station now is actually the farthest away from my house gas station that I'm going to. And it's the last one for the day. Let's see if we can get something good. So this is the next location guys. Total. I've only been to this one seldom times before. And it's usually when we're going like Ultra Race or so. So I'm not entirely familiar with how this one operates. Let's see. We'll see what happens. I just hope they have something good for dinner. I just hope. Just based off the first impressions, this one looks nice. It's a bonjour. So I don't really see any food in here. You know, how much for the chicken right now? How much for the chicken? 20. Not drink. A drink. Rather got flavor splash. I'm gonna get the Snickers. Okay, so you guys saw very little of me in there a while ago. I swear, throughout this whole video it's been so strange for me to just go in there and be videoing. You'd think that as a result of me doing this for so long, not even that long, like a year now, I'd be a little bit more used to it, but no. Anyways guys, got a flavor splash. I got some chicken, which might not be that filling. And I bought a little Snickers. I wonder if I should go in there if I can buy like a spice bun. Let's you know what? Let's deliberate. So, alcohol. First of all, I got a drink. It's a flavor splash. I also got a little Snickers bar. Yeah, Snickers. And I got some chicken wings. As I said, I've never bought any food from out here before, so I'm not sure how it tastes, but I hope it does. And I think they gave me some dipping, some sauce. They gave me some sauce, which I think it might just be ketchup. All in all, this came up to $770, and I had like $1,000 left back out of the $2,000 that I had to spend. So I have about $230 left back. Thinking about whether or not I should go back in there and buy bread or something like that, because I don't think the wings will actually hold me. I think I want to buy another snack just for later when I want to snack, because I did carry like an extra $1,000. Additional stuff. Alright, Sprite and cornbread and cheese. I'm going to give y'all the review when I get home. I'm also getting gas right now. Just wouldn't make sense to do this over there and not get gas. I'm gonna try and show you all these gas prices. Bro, that's as much gas as I got for $1,000. They're like, see you again, but look at those gas prices, brother. $201 for 90. Oh boy. Alright. Dinner time, here it is. It costed about 1,300. I don't know. I don't remember. Let's give it a taste test, right? By itself, this is pretty good. Nothing spectacular. It's just fried chicken wings. With the bread now, it's alright. I think I'll just go ahead and eat it by itself though. The chicken seems to have been made good. I have no complaints about it. There's a little bit of redness there, but I'm just gonna ignore that. Wash it down with a little flavor splash. Overall, my overall rating is gonna have to be, I'm gonna give it a solid 7. 7. It's not all that. You know, the chicken wings aren't all that. They taste like regular chicken, fried chicken with like probably used oil. I don't know what to say about that, but yeah, I'm gonna give them overall a 7. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Yeah. Well, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Day is coming to an end now, and so is the video. Overall, gas station food ain't all that bad. This was probably one of the easiest challenges. It's not even a challenge, it's just something fun, just a nice experiment. So thank you guys for watching. If you're watching at this point, thank you so much. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Is that how they usually say it? I don't usually say this, so I'm curious. Thank you guys for watching. Shamai Crossfield. That's about exactly what I bought for lunch.